Hey Couch Cadets, it's Alex with CouchDotCom, and we are going to talk about cleaning your couch cushions and pillows today. Sometimes cushions and pillows get stained, but you don't have to just live with them. There are plenty of ways to clean it, and we're going to talk about those right now. How do you clean dirty pillows? Well, there are two fundamental ways to clean dirty pillows. One, you try removing the cushion cover and you sort of attack that cushion cover, or if the cushion covers can't be removed, then you may want to go the spot cleaning method. One method allows you to remove the cushion covers and literally put them in the washing machine, take them to the sink, whereas if your cushion covers are attached permanently, then spot cleaning may be your only method to do it. Should pillows be washed or dry cleaned? That's a great question. Well, the fact is that dry cleaners will often not accept any pillows at all in their fullest form. So if your cushion covers cannot be removed, you can pretty much cross dry cleaning off the list. Dry cleaning can be incredibly effective, however, if your cushion covers are removable. And not just in the traditional way of literally dry cleaning that doesn't use any liquid solvents, but also dry cleaners are very, very adept at getting stains out of shirts, pants, suits, you name it. This is literally what they do all day long. So why not bring it to the professionals if you can? It certainly costs a little bit of money, but it might be worth it in the long run. You can also wash these things at home. If your cushion covers are not removable, obviously you're gonna be spot cleaning them since they can't go in a washing machine or be brought to the dry cleaners. Or you might be able to put certain cushion covers inside a washing machine, and unless it explicitly says not to on a label or if the retailer says that that's a no-no. Can you put pillow stuffing in the dryer? Sure you can, but sometimes you may not be pleased with how it comes out in the end, and it depends on what you're putting in the dryer specifically. Now, a lot of times you'll have a cushion that's like this one, and you're wondering exactly what to do with it. Luckily, this type of cushion has a zipper, and inside you'll notice that there's something that I would call a fill bag. Inside this fill bag are those pieces of synthetic foam that's called fiber fill or polyfiber. It has many different names, but it's basically the fluff. Those like cotton-like balls of things that will go inside the couch cushions to make them nice and fluffy. Ideally, you want to remove this before you do anything with your couch cushions, but in the event that you can't, it is perfectly fine to wash them. Sometimes you may have washed blankets or pillows in the past and dried them even that have that stuff inside of it. It's just sometimes it can get a little bit warped, it can take a very long time to dry, and it's generally preferred to take them out first. They can go in the dryer, it just may create some unforeseen results that you weren't exactly hoping for. Does a dryer sanitize pillows? The technical answer is no, it doesn't. Even though it makes logical sense in the way that putting something in a high heat environment may serve to sanitize it, it's not technically the case, and nothing you'll really read online will show you or tell you that putting something in the dryer is going to sanitize it. However, we do have a great tip, which is using the UV rays from the sun, bringing your cushions outside to dry, even though you want to be careful not to leave things in the sun for too long or they may get discolored, has this sort of magical antibacterial effect that we talk about in a few other articles here at CouchDotCom that can be really, really good for your couches and your couch cushions. So it's actually recommended to take your cushions outside, whether they're dirty or need to be cleaned or not, just to have a nice airing out, get some of those beautiful sun's rays, and give it a nice deep cleaning, the way that Mother Nature intended it. That's a great way to get some of that stench out of your pillows.